Hi, I just wanted to share with you this really cool tool on the internet. It's a Google Chrome extension, and it just makes printing articles off the internet or certain items so much easier. So it's called PrintFriendly and PDF. And you'll see up here, this is the extension when it gets onto your Chrome. So I'm going to show you an example that I'm going to do with my students. So right now, this student is going to be using this article for some research. So what I'm going to do, usually when you print this off the internet, it's going to be really complicated. And so I'm going to do a Control P print. And you're going to see 3 pages, and typically we'll have, it adjusts it, but there's still, this brief newsletter, some ads, just stuff that most of us probably wouldn't mind, but let me show you what Print Friendly does. All right, so I'm going to click on the extension, and you're going to see that for students who are doing research, the link is at the top, so it makes it very much helpful for them to access it in a later point. And you'll see that there are these blocks with these delete things. And so let me show you what it can do. So here's the title of the page, the link, those will not go away. You can get rid of the picture if you wanted to. And for what it looks like so far, this picture isn't doing any help. So I'll get rid of that. And when I clicked on it, as you can see, it goes away. This Twitter icon, not necessary, clicking on it, going away. And then as I go down, I'll see that there's more stuff I want to get rid of. And as I do this, it actually reduces the amount of pages that are printed. And see, as you go down here, there's all these ads, not necessary. So I'm just going to click those away. Advertisement. And while it looks like, the print friendly version I saw earlier may have been more helpful, you can actually control what's on there. And so this is pretty good. I'm looking through, I don't see any advertisements. Sometimes they'll sneak in an advertisement here and there, which is, fine for some people. Some people it's not. Then I'm going to click PDF. It's going to download my PDF. So I'm going to click on that, and it opens up in PDF form, and you'll see that instead of 3 pages that the original one wanted me to have, I just have 1 page. So 1 page, that's it. My student only has to read 1 page. That's awesome. So from there, I would save as. And remember the file name, time.com. Bullying is good for your health. I would print this out for the student, maybe make copies for other students, whichever. But this is how I use the Print Friendly and PDF. So if I wanted to print, I would print, and it would show me exactly, oh look, it's just giving me 1 page when I print it. So I don't have to think about all of those things. So yeah, this is Print Friendly and PDF Google Chrome extension. It's super friendly and helpful in so many ways. Really gets rid of the distractions. The only thing, I can't really think of anything I don't really care about this. I mean, when it comes to Twitter stuff that's on the page, it doesn't show up. Sometimes it does. And it really depends if it's pertinent to the lesson at the time. But, sometimes I don't really need Twitter posts to show up on articles. So it's a miss, but not really one that's really too important for me unless, I need my students to see it. Then I'll just show it on the board for them. other than that, this is print friendly and PDF Google extension, and hopefully you check it out. It's a really, really helpful extension, especially for me. All right. Talk to you later.